Hi guys, welcome to another
Hey
Minecraft
guys,
video.
welcome back to another Minecraft video.
Yeah.
Today we are on Farm Mod. Excuse me, and we have with us Katie's nephew.
Christian! Yeah!
Yay!
Hey.
Okay, did you put blueberry bushes here?
No, they're already there.
Where's the seeds? It drops blueberries.
Blueberries! Yum yum yum!
I'm gonna get some corn.
Okay guys.
Whee!
Okay guys,
What can you turn this corn into?
I don't know. Okay guys,
It replaces.
guys, we can go to another village and we can trade people.
Yeah, I know. I just want to see what I can do with these these corn stalks.
Okay.
Do we have a crafting table anywhere?
No. This is more out of wood.
Where's there a craft? Okay.
Okay guys,
Okay, I made. Oh, I can't eat corn. I eat blueberry. Chili pepper. You can't eat the onion. Tomato. Oh, tomato does that. Okay, you can make cornmeal.
can you?
With,
Okay guys, do you want to go to another village?
Should we go to the village? I'm bringing a crafting bench
Okay.
with me.
Come on Christian. Let's go bros.
Wait for me.
Just follow me.
How do you know where the village is?
Just telling. I don't know, actually. I just saw this.
Okay.
Oh, there's a skeleton right there.
Oh. Yeah, I wish we could put it in peaceful.
But we didn't.
Oh god, we're at the town. Yay!
Come on, guys.
Okay, so we can trade with people.
Uh-huh. So, this is the village. Just looking.
Wow, it's actually kind of cool.
I'm going up this way.
Okay, we'll split up then. Oh, I see a villager. I'm gonna see if I can trade with him. Well, the villagers don't look any different. I wonder what they sell.
Really neat stick to see if I can get away
Can
with
I
this.
interest you in ice cold speed potion? What? Potion of resistance, water breathe, and leave a healing. Okay. Ooh, emeralds. I can't get any of these. What, to start your entry farm? Yeah. Oh wait, he's talking to you.
Oh, there's a sword. There's some arrows. Ooh. Okay, bro.
This is cool. Okay, this is a seed shop. Oh, okay, he sells seeds. How do we get emeralds?
I don't know. I'm just looking around.
Where's like the bank? It's like a bank. I don't know how you get emeralds. Excuse me, shopkeeper? No, you went. Oh my god. I don't know. I can't find any emeralds. I don't know what to do. Oh, the mayor. Can I get the mayor? He's got nothing good. I ate my last tomato.
His house is way too big for me. Where, bro?
Where do you get emeralds from?
Don't know. I'm really hungry and I didn't bring any food.
Try and find me. I've got food. Hello, Kitty. I'm above you. I'm above you.
Yeah. Throw it down to me. Thank you.
Okay, I can't find any emeralds anywhere. If she can help us with getting. Oh, I think I found a house. I don't think this is a shop. No, I found a house. Does it have any useful in the chest? It has a diary. Dear diary, while walking through the forest last week, I came across interesting sticks on the ground. I I bet my friend, the Tag Carpenter, will love them, but I can't find them again. Oh, how I wish you could see the beautiful sticks where I'm going to find them. I should put that there. Okay, in the forest. We need to go back home, Katie. So that's where I'm going now. I'm heading back home.
Okay.
Oh God, I'm really hungry. I'm eating my onions, which will probably make me cry.
But true.
Are you on your way?
Try
Try and find my name tag. And you'll find the way. Oh my God, I had like 10 onions. Now I only have 2 onions left. I'm getting home before the monsters spawn. And then I'm looking around to see if there's any emeralds.
Everybody go to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Okay, bros. I think
I swear.
I'm going to shoot off the video now. Okay?
That's our first day of farm life. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace out.